name's Susan. Today is the last pie in my series, Pies of Summer. And this one is one I haven't tried before, so it's going to be new to you and me. But it sounds delicious, and it's an orange slice pie. But it's got all that goodness that you find in all those other cool pies. So if you like content like this, hit that subscribe button, ring that bell, and give me a big thumbs up. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, we need 1 can of sweetened condensed milk, 1/3 cup of lemon juice. This is freshly squeezed. It took about 3 lemons. They were kind of small. They're not the really big ones, but they have a good flavor. And I've got 2 cans of mandarin oranges that's been drained, and 2 8-ounce cartons of whipped topping. First of all, we'll mix our sweetened condensed milk. Every last bit. So just me, or does it bother you when you watch cooking shows and they leave stuff in the cans and in the dishes? Maybe it's just me. And mix your sweetened condensed milk and your lemon juice. Mix it really good. Put that one in the sink and move to a bigger spatula. That one's perfect for getting stuff out of those cans. Oh, and you need 2 pie crusts. This pie actually makes 2 pies. And you need 1.5 cups of nuts. These are walnuts. And I toasted mine. It didn't say to do that, but I just love toasted nuts, so that's what I did. And now we have to mix in, fold in our whipped topping. Disorganized for some reason this morning. I haven't tried this. I did a chocolate pie of my own that I tried, and it tasted good, but it didn't hold up its form, so I decided to go with another pie. I've got lots of long pies, but I was trying to do one where you didn't have to bake, and those you had to bake the crust. So those will come at a later date. Just mix in, fold in our whipped topping. I've enjoyed doing these pies of summer. To say my family's enjoyed me making them also. Alright, now we just fold in our mandarin oranges and our nuts. How my oldest son's gonna take to this one. He has a texture thing, and he's not crazy about nuts, and I don't think he's crazy about the texture of like oranges, but my youngest son loves oranges and nuts, and so does my husband. So We'll see how it goes. This looks really good. I don't see how you can go wrong with what's in this pie. Divide it between our pie crusts. Alright, I'm going to get the lid on these and chill them for about 3 hours and I'll be back. This pie tasted very good, very refreshing. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please hit that subscribe button, ring that bell. Until next time, bye.